Look no further than the 2019 GMC Acadia. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This solidly built Acadia delivers family-friendly comfort, convenience, and security. A host of desirable creature comforts and impressive safety features are at your command in this attractive, versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, heated rear seat. Feel confident when you're road tripping in this well-crafted Acadia. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.